Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news from Huawei. The company just released the very first teaser for its upcoming Pura 80 series, and it's already got people talking. Even though we haven't seen the full design yet, this teaser gives us a good idea of what to expect, especially when it comes to the camera. In the teaser image, the focus is clearly on the phone's camera system. It shows a bold and stylish camera module, which looks like it will be one of the main highlights of the new phone. From what we can tell, Huawei is going big on photography this time around, and that's great news for anyone who loves taking pictures with their phone. The Huawei Pura 80 series is officially launching on June 11th at a special event. This will be the second generation in the Pura lineup, and Huawei seems ready to make some major upgrades, especially when it comes to camera technology. Judging by this teaser, it's clear that photography will be one of the strongest features of these new devices. If you look closely at the teaser poster, you'll see two large camera sensors surrounded by golden rings. These sensors are placed on the edge of a curved camera bump, giving the phone a unique and premium look. A lot of tech fans believe this could be a dual-periscope camera setup, something we last saw in the Huawei P40 Pro Plus about 5 years ago. For those who might not remember, the P40 Pro Plus was the first phone in the world to feature two separate telephoto lenses. One of them offered 3x optical zoom, while the other used a periscope-style lens for 10x optical zoom. This setup made it possible to zoom in really far without losing image quality. Even at high zoom levels, photos stayed clear, sharp, and full of detail. Now it looks like Huawei is bringing this dual periscope design back in the Pura 80 series, especially for the higher-end models like the Pura 80 Pro Plus and Pura 80 Ultra. But the upgrades don't stop there. Huawei is also said to be improving the main camera and the ultra-wide camera across the entire series. So no matter which model you choose, you'll probably get a great photography experience. According to leaks, the Ultra version might feature a new Lofic-based main sensor and the largest periscope lens Huawei has ever made, a big 1 to 1.3-inch sensor. Meanwhile, the Pro Plus version might use a fresh 50-megapixel SmartSense main camera, replacing the older Sony IMX989 sensor used in past models. These changes show that Huawei is serious about improving photo quality, especially in different lighting conditions. As for the regular Pura 80 model, it might stick with the same camera setup as last year's version, but that doesn't mean it'll be left behind. Huawei is likely adding new AI photography features to every phone in the series. This means users can expect smarter scene detection, better photo processing, and smoother zoom features across the board. One of the coolest parts of the phone's design is the camera module itself. Based on leaked images, it curves toward one side of the phone, giving it a unique modern look. And those golden camera rings really make it stand out, showing how important the camera hardware is to this device. AI will also be a big part of the Pura 80 series. With better AI processing, you'll get clearer pictures, better colors, improved low-light shots, and smarter photo adjustments. Huawei's software will work with the powerful camera hardware to make taking great photos easier and more fun for everyone. With these bold design choices and big upgrades, Huawei clearly wants to get back on top when it comes to smartphone photography. The teaser has already created a lot of excitement, especially for fans of the older P40 Pro Plus and its amazing zoom features. To sum it up, the Huawei Pura 80 series is shaping up to be a strong new player in the world of flagship smartphones. With its dual periscope camera system, upgraded main sensors, stylish design, and smart AI features, it seems like a great option for anyone who loves taking photos or wants a phone with top-notch camera tech. We'll know all the official details when Huawei launches the Pura 80 series on June 11th. Until then, this teaser has definitely given us something to be excited about. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest phones. See you in the next one.